Hey, this shady. This shady. This shady.
Yes, Mama.
You like it to count my voice. This shady. I don't know what I did. This thing is not going. This is like the 5 times I'm flushing it.
But, Mama, can you do yourself?
I'm trying now. If I can do it myself, you go to school now. Maybe you have something that can make you go down.
Well, I don't know. It's probably because you keep eating fufu and pata jam.
So because I keep eating food, you just have a way of abusing someone. Because I eat fufu and pata jam, that is why the toilet is blocked. That is what blocking the toilet. Is it my fault? Is it my fault that thing come out too? Is it my fault? This shady, you blaming me now? This shady, are you blaming me? You want to help me, this shady? It's not smelly.
Do it yourself.
This shady is not smelly. Help me, this shady.
It's yours. Do it yourself.
Hey.